Rural electrification in Bihar has had wide ramification, and this has led to a revolution of sorts. The benefits are percolating to the masses who are experiencing the benefits of electricity for the first time. This change has not occurred without the vital innovations which were introduced for smooth execution of the projects. Firstly, formulation of new payment policy for SPPDCL, which has drastically reduced the payment cycle against the invoices of the turnkey contractors. Further, for better execution and monitoring of the project, a dedicated team of project officers in each district was created, comprising of electrical executive engineer, assistant engineer, and junior engineer. The creation of special task force ensured quality inspection for the project under execution. An important aspect was the use of IT for project monitoring. A system of weekly meetings at MD director level with the local project in charge was also held. The major challenges which were resolved at the field level was the problem of right of way, ROW. The district administration was of great help in this. Another problem in rural areas is transportation of material. Non-conventional mode of transport was adopted for wherever difficult terrains were encountered. To facilitate timely execution of work, digging and pitching of poles was done with the help of machine. Besides this, there were challenges which were resolved at the headquarter level. Parallel inspection of materials was done by departmental officers to resolve the delay in pre-dispatch inspection of materials. Monthly and fortnightly review meetings was done with rights to ensure timely inspection. There was modification of vendor approval policy for PSC poles and LED bulbs, in which new pole manufacturers were allowed to supply PSC poles against the huge requirement at the very onset of the project. The LED lighting being a new product, experience was diluted but without compromising on quality. The entire execution was done in a very strategic manner for the implementation of the project. There was a change in the payment module for unelectrified villages. To facilitate cash flow to contractors, payment against one taken over village was released against the cluster approach of SBD. The training of subcontractor along with interactions of the subcontractor was organized at the headquarter level to find out ways to mitigate their issues and provide training for quality work. Extensive field visits was undertaken by the chairman, MD, director and other senior officers for instant decision making, first-hand information on quality and progress on projects and resolving ROW, etc. Dedicated telephone numbers, mobile numbers were made public to invite complaints and suggestions and to overcome the resistance from rural population who were not included in the scheme due to exclusion of habitation having population less than 100. For maintaining transparency, meetings were held at district level and headquarter level with the public representatives, MLAs, to bring transparency in implementation. The combined efforts resulted in completion of the projects prior to the scheduled completion time.
बिजली लाना काफ़ी शुरू में डिफ़िकल्ट महसूस हुआ था, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे बिजली पहुँचाया। करीब करीब यहाँ पे 27 बीपीएल परिवार हैं, जो सभी परिवार को बिजली दिया गया है। सभी घरों में आज के डेट में मीटर लग गया और सबको बिजली मिल रही है पूरी।
इंजोरे में ऐसे तो पहले दिया बाती लेके करता था काम, कभी बुझ जाते हवा आता, कभी आंधी आता है। अब तो बल्ब देता लगा था वो इंजोरा रहता है।
वही फायदा है सर कि शादी ब्याह में जैसे मान लिया कि जनरेटर लावे पड़ेगा, केरासन तेल लाते हैं कि चल भाई अनहेला में कैसे होगा। अब यही सुविधा हुआ कि बॉल बत्ती अब जल रहा शादी ब्याह में, इंजोरा में नाता कुटुंब दुनियादारी सब कुछ का सुविधा हो।
नालंदा जिला में कुल 998 रेवेन्यू विलेजेस में सभी विलेजेस में बिजली पहुंच गया है, बिजली का लाइन दे दिया गया है और जल्द से जल्द हर घर तक बिजली पहुंचने का काम भी कर दी जाएगी। पीपीएल को मुफ्त में कर दिया जा रहा है और ईपीएल के भुगतान के आधार पर कर दिया जा रहा है। तेज़ी से हाउस होल्ड कनेक्शन भी की जा रही है। इसमें खास बात यह है कि विगत 1-1.5 साल के अंदर पूरे नालंदा जिला को इसमें कवर कर लिया गया है। अभी कोई गांव नहीं छूटा है, कोई गांव ऐसा नहीं है जहां पर बिजली नहीं पहुंचा है और लोग काफ़ी खुश हैं, खास करके बीपीएल का लोग, जहाँ पर बिजली पहुँचाने के साथ साथ बीपीएल कनेक्शन भी हो रहा है सभी गाँवों में। बहुत खुशी देखने की मिल रही है। आज 22 घंटा या उससे ज़्यादा भी बिजली लगातार लोगों को मिल रही है। इसमें लोगों के बीच में अच्छा रिस्पांस आ रही है, अच्छा रिएक्शन आ रहा है।